Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries using frozen fruit. The first and most important step is proper thawing. Place your frozen strawberries in the refrigerator overnight or for several hours until they are completely soft. Once thawed, gently pat each berry completely dry with paper towels. Any remaining moisture will prevent the chocolate from adhering smoothly, so take your time with this crucial preparation. Next, let's prepare our chocolate. For the best flavor and texture, select a high-quality chocolate, like a good semi-sweet or milk chocolate. You'll need about 8 ounces. Melt the chocolate gently using a double boiler, stirring until it's smooth and fully liquid. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each, until completely melted and glossy. Avoid overheating to prevent burning. Now for the fun part, dipping. Hold a completely dry strawberry by its stem, or if it lacks a stem, insert a toothpick into the top. Dip the strawberry into your melted chocolate, covering about 3/4 of the berry. Gently twist and lift, allowing any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. You can also sprinkle on some decorative toppings like nuts or sprinkles before the chocolate sets. Finally, it's time to let your beautiful creation set. Carefully place each chocolate-dipped strawberry onto a sheet of parchment paper. Once all your berries are dipped, transfer them to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm and hardened. Store any leftover chocolate-covered strawberries in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.